Hello everyone and welcome back to an inspiring journey of craftsmanship and determination. In this episode, we follow a resilient single mother who takes on the challenging task of building a house entirely by hand. She begins by digging deep holes in the ground, carefully placing thick bamboo poles as the foundation for the house. Each pole is firmly anchored into the ground, providing essential support for what is to come. Once the vertical poles are in place, she places horizontal wooden beams and bamboo poles on top, meticulously aligning them to create a sturdy, stable frame. Her work is precise, and her movements demonstrate both her experience and her dedication to quality. She prepares the floor surface. Using long bamboo poles that have been split and flattened, she creates wide, smooth planks. These are placed one by one on the frame, creating a solid, flat foundation. To ensure everything stays in place, she tightly secures each bamboo plank with wire. This method not only provides durability, but also reflects a traditional building technique passed down through generations. It is the perfect balance of ingenuity and resourcefulness, using natural materials skillfully and meticulously. This segment beautifully demonstrates her strength, independence, and incredible ability to transform raw materials into an ideal living space, all surrounded by nature. In this part of the journey, we witness the next important stage of construction as the single mother turns her attention to the roof. She uses palm leaves, light yet durable, to create a natural and weatherproof covering for the house. Each layer of leaves is carefully stacked and secured with wire, tied tightly to the bamboo roof frame. This technique not only ensures protection from the sun and rain, but also brings a traditional beauty that blends perfectly with the surrounding environment. She then moves on to the walls and window structures. Using smaller bamboo sticks and woven bamboo panels, she creates partitions that are both sturdy and airy. Each detail is precisely measured and installed, transforming the raw materials into functional and elegant features of the house. The result is a living space that is not only sheltered and practical, but also beautifully in harmony with the natural environment. From the rusticity of the woven bamboo walls to the gently layered palm leaf roofs, every detail reflects her resourcefulness and deep connection to her craft. All work is done entirely by hand, with a patience and meticulousness that is truly inspiring. It is a powerful reminder of how much can be achieved with humble materials and a determined spirit. In this chapter, we witness a single mother continuing to build her bamboo house with dedication and precision. She begins by creating a beautiful railing for the front porch. These smaller bamboos are then skillfully joined to larger horizontal bamboos, creating a sturdy and beautiful railing. Each joint is securely secured with wire, ensuring the structure is safe, stable, and in harmony with the natural environment. After completing the railing, she moves on to building a functional staircase leading up to the porch. She begins by digging shallow, evenly spaced holes in the ground. Into each hole, she drives vertical bamboo stakes deep into the ground to form the stair supports. Combined with intuitive problem-solving and ingenious use of natural materials, the simplicity of her tools, a handsaw, hammer, and wire, is offset by her incredible skill and steady hand. This project is more than just building a house. It's about creating a home from scratch, taking advantage of what nature has to offer, and doing it all with care, patience, and quiet determination. In this section, we follow the meticulous efforts of a resourceful woman as she adds the finishing touches to her bamboo home. With a steady hand and a keen eye, she carefully and precisely highlights each surface. The railings are given new life with bold strokes, while the walls are layered with color, brightening the entire structure. The front gate, which was once simple and functional, is now an inviting entrance that reflects the personality of the house and its builder. This stage of the project requires not only patience, but also a delicate balance and harmony of color and form. It is clear that every stroke was made with love and purpose. With the final touches complete, the bamboo house is no longer just a shelter, but a living symbol of personal style, nestled gracefully in the lush green surroundings. Thank you so much for following and supporting this journey. We hope to see you again in the next chapter.